Here are 4 basic things you need to know about buying a car. First of all, we need to know what financial expectations we have. So one is the cost of the car. So the cost of the car we wish to get is $12,260. We decide to make a down payment of $3,000. We are going to make monthly payments of $231.50. And we're going to get a loan for 4 years, which is in 48 months. So before, with compound interest, we were always talking about years. When buying a car and car loans, we're going to talk in terms of months. So the first thing we need to figure out is how much we want to finance, or in basic terms, how much money are we going to borrow. So basically, we're going to take the cost of the car, and this includes all the options and everything. This is what we've agreed to pay, minus our down payment. And in this case, it will be $12,260 minus $3,000. And that gives us $9,260 that we wish to borrow. Now you can borrow the money from a bank, from the car dealership, from a friend. Okay, so 2. The next thing we want to know is, what is the total amount of all the monthly payments? So what we're going to do is take our monthly payment, which is $231.50, and we're going to multiply that by 48 months. And that comes out to be $11,112. The third issue is, what is our total installment price? What is our total installment price? This is how much I am actually paying for this car. This car and interest. So I'm going to take step 2, which is my total amount of all the monthly payments, and then I'm going to add my down payment to it. So this is money coming out of my pocket right up front, and this is all the money coming out of my pocket every month. So I have $11,112 plus my $3,000, and that gives me $14,112. So that is how much I'm actually paying for that car out of my pocket. Then I'm curious to figure out how much of that was interest, and we call that the finance charge. And what I do here is I take step 3, which is everything that I have spent so far completely out of pocket. I am going to subtract the cost of the car to find out how much interest I've paid. So step 3 was $14,112. Take away the price of the car, which is $12,260, and I get $1,852. So this is the interest that I am paying to borrow the money to pay for this car. And those are the 4 things you should be able to work with when you are out shopping for a car.